Hey everyone, welcome to the second to last assignment for the year. We're wrapping up here, so I hope these last two will be a lot of fun for you. They're again kind of paired. This month, we're looking at minimalism, which is the opposite of maximalism. What? I thought that was a great way to describe it. Okay, what does that mean? It means it has very few elements. Okay. Minimalism seeks to remove as many elements from an image as possible, right? So you're going to have the fewest things you can have and still tell a story with the image. An ideal minimal image could be as simple as a twig in snow or a camera lit solely from above in a dark shadow box. Minimalism uses light and shadow, tone and form, and image composition to create images stripped of anything complex or distracting. This assignment's objective is to teach you to see how simple of an image you can make. When you've tried a few, look at them critically and see what you could do to make them even simpler, even more minimal. Okay. So you saw the samples that I showed you. Those are samples of work I've done, which I would consider to be minimalism, okay? That's kind of the vein that you want to start looking at when it comes to developing a minimalist image. You can also start jogging your brain by looking at things like minimal design. So especially things like mid-century streamline, a lot of the Scandinavian design aesthetics, especially of the last 50 years, have a minimalist design approach. Things like that. And that could help jog your brain as to what constitutes minimalism and start thinking about how to use some of those elements in the creation of your work. So drop me an @ on Instagram or on Imgur, and I look forward. I really am excited this month, especially to see what kind of work you do, because minimalism is not something a lot of us do. And it's very hard to shift the gears of our creative vision into that minimalist mode. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how you guys do at creating minimalist images. And I'll see you in December for our next and final, second to final assignment.